Welcome to the Faroe Islands. We are a tiny country in the middle of the North Atlantic Ocean. It's estimated that fewer than 80,000 people on Earth can speak our language. Many guests would like to learn a little Faroese. For example, that a sunset is called a solsetur, that a waterfall is a fossur, that a hike is a gonguturur, and that we call these sea stacks drengar. One of the most important times to understand the language is when you order food. Kvítanurrir means sheep testicles in Faroese. The problem is that Google Translate does not work with Faroese. So, until it does, we will help them with Faroe Islands Translate, powered by Faroese volunteers. It's simple, you write, and a random Faroese volunteer will translate.
Välkommen till Faroe Islands Translate.
Try it, and you will learn that we have 40 words for fog.
Tåka, mjørke, skatta,
skuttar, slur, sirm, rådväver, tam, tågetam, tappamjörse, tippamjörse, fjattamjörse.
And if you want to say, "Excuse me, may I disturb you for a minute?" you can just say,
Two.
Yeah. Find out that OK piss is just a Faroese word for free. Or simply learn how to say,
Eerste.
We are ready to translate for you at faroeislandstranslate.com. Or even better, come to the Faroe Islands and chat with us in real life.